Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? It's actually February the 13th, 2025. In the video I just did on Guatemala, I said it was February the 16th. When I said that, I'm like, wait a minute. We haven't done Valentine's Day yet. So, yeah, it's on the 13th today. So, I don't want to go into a lot of details, but I've got I wouldn't even really call him a friend. Well, yeah, he's a friend. I shouldn't say that. I mean, not like a lifelong friend, not like someone I've been, known for 20 years. But there's a gentleman that I know that is actually in hospice. And if you don't know what hospice is, that means, putting it bluntly, you're getting ready to pass away. You're super sick and you're getting ready to pass. I'm in talks with this gentleman's sister about maybe doing some volunteer work for their family, and specifically her brother, the gentleman who's dying, if I could just be blunt about it. So, yeah, I just think about life, not every day, I'm not obsessed with it, but yesterday when the opportunity kind of came across my desk, there's a time to live, and without being goofy, there's a time to die. And I really had a hard time getting to sleep last night because I want to see this guy. And I'm not going to talk a lot about it on YouTube, but I did just want to talk a little bit about life on this earth. I remember my mom saying, Crypto Mentor 99, how did I get to be 76? And I jokingly said to my mom, well, first you were 70, then you were 71, and now, like in other words, every year. So, yeah, there's a gentleman in hospice that I may be helping a little bit. So you never know when your time is. And again, I'm glad, I don't talk about it a lot, but I'm glad that I have a faith background. I know where I'm going. I know who holds my future. And it's not the crypto market. It's not my bank account. And that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. Love the ones you're with. Give someone a hug today. Tell them you appreciate them. Write them a note. Call them on WhatsApp. But yeah, be kind to people. That's it. Love y'all. Bye-bye.